In this email, Kelly asks, she says, I'm selling a house for sale by owner. Abigail reached out to me and wants to buy the house, but refuses to schedule a home inspection, which, Brad, that's interesting, until she has a signed contract in her hands. What should I do? Well, I can help her, but you go ahead, Chuck. It's
Yeah, I
pretty
was going to
simple.
say, get a signed contract. It's that simple.
Yeah.
Give me a call. Once you've got a hug and a handshake, we can take it from there.
Yeah, most buyers won't do a home inspection
Yeah.
until after you've got a contract that's been agreed to, right?
Yeah. Why would you spend the money in, doing inspections if, you don't have them on the hook?
Yeah, the process is list it, get a buyer, negotiate it, then get an inspection, then it's going to be appraised typically in most cases, and then you're going to go to closing. And I make it sound simple, but there's a little more to it. Anyway, that's the process. So I wish you the very best, Kelly. Get that contract in hand. Give a call over to Chuck, and I'll give you that number out in a little bit.